Good morning to all you guys.
Good morning.
How are you all? I'm also fine. So today, guys, I don't have a topic. I didn't prepare, but I have something to tell you that I listened there this topic about in my college. So my college is for floral culture. You can say it's a flower farming. It's a if you are talking about the flower farming, so we know all the what's the flower. Flowers, it's say in Hindi. So in this time we can say that it is a very big business if we can do it. But if there is a also we can say there's a two type of business. It's we can say it's a so much benefit, but it's a only little disbenefit in this. So I want to tell you firstly, I want to tell you that if you are talking about the our Indian floral business, floral cultural business. So there is only two type of businesses available in this in Indian flower farming. So there is only rose and gold marigold. We can say that in our India, farmers growing only two type of flowers is marigold and rose. But there is if you are talking about the what is the fastest flower in growing in growing, so it is a sunflower. It is growing you can sorry you can grow it in 6 feet tall in 3 months. Sunflowers grows too much fast, and if we are talking about this business is going 65 days, all days. It means all year it will continue. It never what's what I mean of band hona. It will never stop. So we can if anyone do this business, so I think it's very good for the earning money. If we are talking about if I talking about the history of farming business, so we can say that it's Palampur. I think it's Palampur in Rajasthan. You can see that many people are say that Rajasthan is a lack of waters, but it is not possible. It actually Palampur is famous for the rose farming in last era. If we are talking about the mostly in Mughal era, so there is a famous for the rose farming because that time there is the importance of flowers. If we are say that in this time we can see that minimum 50% of farmers do flower business, but not in India. There is in Kerala. Kerala is also India, but if we are talking about the doing the business of flowers, but so there is a little thing that they do a little time, not always, because they also growing so many what the fasal, yeah, crop. So I want to say that if this is a very famous for famous famous farming in India, because we always celebrate many occasions, many festivals with the flowers. Without flowers, we can't pray also. Without so if we are talking about the who is the father of flooring culture, so it is a M.H. Mary Goldwald. He's the father of the floral culture, and if I say that uh, sorry, I forgot. I have done, guys. I forgot.